When the CAC builds something, it is smooth, and here we go. Because we want to show you how to do this. Watch this.
All right, let's dive right into it. CAC here. First and foremost, those brackets at the bottom are super important. Those black ones, it creates a lot of rigidity when you install those types of post-based brackets. Once that's up, we got our ledger board on. Then we do our bracing, keeps it nice and rigid. After that, we're gonna throw on our ramp boards, cut it at the angle for the concrete and slap those right on up. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and install our stringers. So when it comes to the stringers, usually it's like a 6 to 7 inch rise. We made these a 4.5 inch rise because it's for an older community and they want a nice, slow walk down. So you see the notch at the bottom there, that's for a 2x4 to hold it in place. We're using 4 to flash as waterproofing because pressure treated nowadays is a lot more expensive than it was 5 years ago. Got our post going in. There's our 2x4 right there at the bottom. And we're using all Simpson hardware. It's just the structural and right way to build a ramp so it lasts a very long time. We're using actually structural screws in a lot of places because nails will actually, crack the board. We're gonna start our decking right now. This is a Trex Rocky Harbor Breeze. Throwing it up with the hidden fastener system. Love the hidden fastener system. Goes in nice and easy, just make sure your cuts are right. But here's a good detail of how we're framing it out. Lots of blocking, it makes it rigid. You see the L brackets and the 90-degree brackets. We're really going above and beyond here. There's the decking, what it looks like. It looks really clean, look at those gaps. Here's your bracing. Your bottom, that pressure treated 2x4 at the bottom is for the vinyl skirting that's gonna go around. So that's that. Here's your boards right here. The ramp boards are actually 2x10s right to the end, flashed up, water protection. I mean, this is a covered patio, but that blocking right there in the middle is important for rigidity in the post. So we're gonna keep going on these deck boards. And once you get in the groove and you're in the zone, you're rolling. You just keep it going. And I have to say, it is 110 degrees out. You see the customers bringing us water right there on the landing, and we are chugging those things down like nobody's business. So we're getting the deck boards up and running. Nathan had to leave to his secondary job in the evening time. What a hustler he is. He's got 2 jobs, hustling hard. Nate the Great, as always. And I'm left over here for the end of the day, wrapping up these boards. So I just keep it rolling. I get in my groove, play my podcast, take a break, as you can see. Homeowner checks on me, sees if I'm okay. I told him it's all good, just gotta take a quick break. But I keep this going down all the way, and it's starting to really come together. Now, here's the thing, these last posts are hard because there's not much meat to screw into. So I had to really block it. It took me like an hour and a half to make it like that. But here's your final product. That's what it looks like without the skirting. Now here's what it looks like with the skirting. It came out really nice, really easy, gradual walk up. They don't have to go up the stairs, and if they have a younger people coming by, they can just walk up those stairs, no problem. As an upgrade you can do, you can get those vinyl wraps that go along the 4x4 post. But there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's hear from the Savage to finish the video off.
Just want to say thanks to the CAC and Nate the Great for building such great stuff. If you like this stuff, why don't you follow us, share it with a friend. We love you guys. Savage out.